Hello and welcome to Cooking with Shada. Today we are going to make Lachha Paratha. This is also known as multi-layer paratha and it is very popular of course and people really enjoy having Lachha Paratha. So we'll directly start making Lachha Paratha. For this we are going to need 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain or it's optional, milk as required, 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee. Okay, so first we'll start with the dough. For that we are going to take the wheat flour, all-purpose flour, salt, ajwain. Combine your dry ingredients. Now we are going to add clarified butter or ghee. Again, mix it with the dough. Okay, so now we'll start adding milk. Do not add all the milk altogether. We are going to add a part of milk. Then as per requirement we are going to add milk. Add milk until you get a nice dough consistency. You might need to use your hands to make a nice dough. Okay, so our dough is ready. Now we are going to just grease it with some ghee. So now the dough, make sure that the dough is not too hard or not too soft. Now we are going to keep it for about an hour. So let it sit for an hour. You're going to cover it and let it sit for an hour. Okay, so it's been an hour. Okay, so now you're going to take a ball size amount of the dough and then just make it in a nice round shape. Now coat it with some dry flour. Okay, so now with the help of a rolling pin, you're going to roll it and form a nice circle. Now when it feels sticky, you can coat it with more dry flour and then continue with rolling. Okay, so now we are going to apply some clarified butter. Nicely coat all the sides with the ghee. Okay, so now take your paratha and take the ghee side where you have applied the ghee side on the dry flour like that. So this side, the side where we have applied the ghee was towards the dry flour, was downside. Okay, so now start folding it like this, like a fan. You can see like that. You're getting those pleats on the dough just like that all the way. Okay, so now we are going to pull it very gently. You do not need to break it, just pull it, like stretch it very gently, just like that. By pressing a little bit, you can see it is getting stretched. Okay, so now we are gonna roll it like that. All the way to the end. So it looks something like the cinnamon roll. So you need to roll it like that. Now just press it a little bit with your hands. Okay, so now you're gonna again coat it with some dry flour nicely. So now we are gonna again roll it very gently. So as you can see, as you start rolling, you can see those layers on the top, and just keep and roll it very gently, not too hard. So there you go. Now on the side we are going to take a non-stick pan or tawa and we are going to heat it. Now on the pan we are going to put our paratha. Now let it cook from one side until it gets light brown and lightly cooked. Okay, so now we are going to just flip it and you can see those brown spots. Now we're going to apply ghee on this side nicely. Okay, so now you're gonna flip it. Now apply the ghee on the other side and just press it a little bit, and you can see those layers. And then flip it over again. Okay, so our Lachha Paratha is ready. So you can see the layers in the paratha. You can see those layers. Looks so perfect. Just see those layers. Nice. So there you go. The Lachha Paratha is ready, and serve it with some dal fry and spring onions and lemon. It tastes just perfect. And yes, of course, we have a video on dal fry, so you can definitely watch it on our channel, that is Sharda Cook, and I'll also link the videos link down below in the description box, so you can check out there. And it is just a perfect match. You can also serve it with some paneer, matar paneer. You can serve it with matar paneer. We also have a video for matar paneer also in our channel, so you can check it out. And I think it is a perfect match for the winter, and it just tastes really good. So definitely give it a try, and thumbs up this video if you liked it. Do press subscribe button if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.